All right, we're going to park a house. Got the camera on just in time. Alex is giving me a ride on the loader. Wanted to get up here before he got all the way on the lot so we could see a little bit of this. That's our remote tracks, run by the remote in Steve's hand. So these guys are moving mats to keep the tires onto the, for making ruts in the ground. Steve's running the remote tracks. Tell me about the remote tracks. What do we got going on here?
We got a remote control crawler with a hitch on it that has 40 tons of lift capacity. 40-ton hydraulic cylinder. 75 horsepower, hydrostatic drive, all controlled with this controller. We have 1,500 feet of range.
Nice.
So the operator can continuously walk around the house looking for obstacles and maneuver the house in and out of places that a truck would never be able to do.
Okay. Well, let's watch it in action. It allows you to just go nice and slow, you know, adjust your hitch on the fly, especially for on these hills. It's really helpful. You get to a point where you're kind of bridging this hill and your hitch is almost touching in the front, but the frame of the house is almost hitting in the back, and it's just very close. So now they're just getting the plastic barrier put down before they drive up onto the pad. And then they'll run these mats under the tires so we don't ruin the plastic, we don't make ruts in the ground. Just stays nice and clean, hopefully, is the idea. This is the skirting we install. It's Titan Elite or Titan Prime, I forget which. It's 2-inch thick foam with this vinyl facing. I think it looks pretty slick on these houses. This one's white. They also sell it in clay and gray. You can just see, like, this is some of the track. This is the track that skirting will go in, and then there's a backer up here that goes behind it. All right, here we go. So you can see that's a pretty steep hill for that house to climb. Ready? I'll take a look at it from the other side. And they always got to be watching. They got water riser, sewer riser coming up out of the ground, things you don't want to hit. Even though we hit a ton of them, I don't know how many sewers we fixed. Look at that thing go. Yeah, if we didn't have this, your only option is doing it with that. And you just don't have near as much control with the truck, do you?
No, and you're able, it's much gentler on the house. With the truck, the clutch is either in or out, so it's abrupt and just really aggressive in comparison. We can just creep along real slow and gentle with this.
Right. So now he's just gonna try and line, there's 2 I-beams that go along the house. And a second one here. And he's gonna try and line these up with these piers. And that's where we're gonna level this sucker. He's gonna get the translift ready. They're gonna pick that back end up and swing it. get more in line with the lot. Super easy to move these houses around with this machinery. This house is different than that last one we had. It doesn't have the porch model that I was showing on the other house, so it's definitely a lot stronger. The other one we used 2 translifts, the back and kind of the third the way back there, and we even had the remote tracks on the hitch. Just always worried about those houses folding up. This one, because we don't have the porch model, looks like I can tell there's a much smaller opening in there. They have some temporary walls built in behind the plastic. It's just going to be a lot stronger, and it's real easy to lift hitch and behind the axles, and we'll pop that whole thing right up in the air. So we'll probably skip ahead to where he gets in there. Then we got Alex on the loader. He's gonna bring all the materials in, get ready to set this sucker. Looks like it's gonna rain soon. It's starting to sprinkle already. He's got those nice hydraulic forks. No. He's trying to tell me that we're gonna put 2 halves together. But with it starting to rain, we definitely don't want to be taking the plastic off of this thing. Definitely don't want to be worrying about water damage to the house, so we'll just set 1 half and be ready to set another one when it's dry again. Let's go see if Steve's got the remote ready. Mario's ready to lift. All right. Looks like they're ready. You're gonna see that thing pop right off the ground. Them axles, the tires are already up. So easy. There we go. They're gonna get nice and lined up. You can see this is about the line we want. He's pretty close there. He's just got to shift that front. You done?
We marrying it? Go ask Dad.
Hey, are we putting a second half?
Yeah.
Putting them together today?
Maybe if it's not gonna rain. What's the weather look like?
What's the weather?
We got 4 hours.
We'll have to ridge it and flag bolt, ridge, everything in 4 hours.
Yeah, I know. I think we can do it.
This is my little brother G. This is a whole, yeah, picking his nose. This is a whole family business here. We got Steve. Yeah, Chavez. No, just kidding.
Mexican
Steve
Santa Claus.
with the controller. That's Dad. Little brother G. Big brother Alex. Little big brother. We got me, Shelby. I'll be the one wearing the camera all day long.
Go ask him.
I did once. He said depends on the weather.
Well, I need to know if he'll be alive.
I'll go tell him we need a decision.
Okay.
Are we gonna peel this open today?
Well, I told them to pull the lap, all but maybe like 3 or 4 of them, and then we'll see. Don't cut the plastic.
Okay. They're gonna pull everything except for a few of them just in case it starts raining or something. And then if it looks good, we'll rip it open. He'll probably go get another half, I bet.
Dad, Steve, can you unhook my valves?
No. Release the pressure.
Laser, let's get it. Good spot for that. That's okay.
Too crazy. Too crazy.
Hey, how much that controller cost? 5,000? Just for the controller? The what? I don't hear you, I'm sorry. Tony's yelling something at me.
Am I gonna need 2 block stacks?
For what? Huh? 2 block stacks.
Or 2 pallets of block?
Oh,
I think so, right?
probably.
Yep. Grab that. Bring the ram up.
This is our laser equipment. That's how we find center, find our spot where we want to put our house. This is my water. It's what I drink when I'm thirsty and I've been working way too hard. It's a lot of work carrying this camera around. My head gets sweaty. There's actually a different crew of guys setting some houses up here. I think I'm gonna go first. Just with a different product, one that we've put in before. Nothing wrong with a little healthy competition, just makes us work a little harder. So fast. Wait, just blink. We're done. And the marker I have in my pocket. Laser. Okay. Now we always mark our center with a marker on this curb. I don't know why, because it's so unreliable and just rubs off, but we should be able to find pretty close. We speak a lot of Spanglish here, don't we, G? All right. Hey, take this and hold it. Yeah. Where's 33 1/4? About the middle of that pier, ain't it?
From Radio Show? From where?
Right off the rim joist, yeah. I mean, my 133, which is my 9. Yeah, but this is my, it's about, and that one's good too. It's just gotta, he's, yeah, just straightforward looks like. Okay. That's it. Holy.
Money.
And you're there on center, huh?
Yeah, we're perfect.
Let's do it. Lift it up.
Tell me it's rolling backwards.
What is? The remote tracks? Can I chalk it?
Lifting at an angle.
Can I? Oh. Okay, we'll replumb.
When we sit down, we'll have to.
We'll replumb. That's fine. Just take it up and we'll push it back.
Actually, when I step down, maybe it'll be okay.
It'll push it back where it was, yeah?
What's the problem?
Hey, he's lifting at an angle. That's the problem I had with that porch model. It's pulling backwards as it lifts. Hey, you know the NASCAR?
Maybe.
The pit stop?
Yeah.
Yeah. For mobile home.
You ready?
Woo! Yeah, let's do it. Okay, now the blocks.
Steve, do you want to use the roll?
Yeah. Okay, this is 0, okay?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Inch and a half, Mario, and maybe a quarter. Yeah.
Do you want more?
It's okay. Okay.
Maybe plastic too?
Okay. We're just setting the house down now. All right, it's on the blocks. I think it's good. I don't hear anything. We decided to leave the plastic on for tonight. Starting to rain already. There's just no way we would have got it all done in time for the rain, so better to be safe than sorry and not risk any water damage. But hey, we got one half of a house set, and we're still gonna go do some skirting on another one. Oh, well, we got about this much left. Things go slow when it's raining this hard. Usually we just quit. I don't know why everyone wanted to power through today, but we are. Right, Pack? America.